The Fafrees F20 X-MAX is a high-performance folding electric bike built to deliver both power and endurance for urban and off-road adventures. It features a robust 750-watt brushless rear-drive motor that peaks at 980 watts and produces up to 65 Newton-meters of torque, providing smooth and confident acceleration across diverse terrains. With a top speed of 25 km/h, it meets standard e-bike regulations while still offering a powerful and responsive riding experience. At the heart of the F20 X-MAX lies a massive 48V 30Ah removable lithium-ion battery that supports long-distance travel. Riders can expect a range of up to 120 to 140 kilometers on pure electric mode and an extended 140 to 200 kilometers with pedal assistance. The large-capacity battery ensures all-day riding freedom, making it ideal for commuters and adventure seekers alike. Charging the battery takes approximately 9 to 10 hours, allowing for convenient overnight recharging. The bike structure is crafted from high-tensile steel, offering durability and strength to handle both city roads and rugged trails. Its 20 by 4.0-inch fat air tires provide excellent traction, stability, and shock absorption, ensuring a comfortable ride on sand, snow, gravel, or pavement. The hydraulic disc brakes on both the front and rear wheels offer precise, powerful stopping performance, giving riders confidence and control in all weather conditions. Despite its rugged design, the F20 X-MAX maintains practical portability through its foldable frame, making it easy to store or transport in a car trunk or on public transport. Weighing 49 kilograms, it balances sturdiness with functionality, accommodating daily commuting, leisure rides, and outdoor exploration with equal ease. Combining long range, strong motor performance, and reliable braking, the Fafrees F20 X-MAX stands out as a powerful and versatile folding e-bike. Whether tackling city commutes or weekend adventures, it offers an efficient, stable, and comfortable riding experience for those who demand endurance and flexibility from their electric bicycle.